ni mo misana. Ko to na via na nungui malo. Ko tu misa mengarap subila. Yo kona population ko na boundary ko makabulu juga. Mana biro prepare out kina. To sabi tugin don ni to intend ko sila presin disaster. Ngi nasa tundi chuno na supis. To sa searching out to this was coming up. And that is what I feel we were not wanting to. Thank you. We were just looking at how good our preparation for this tropical cyclone Pem, the tropical cyclone Pem, the severe rainfall that will be, it is bring it with it. It has been it has been seen that it has been predicted that it will be having a very big amount of rainfall that's coming with it, which is about 300 to 350 milliliters. So what we are looking at is how good our preparation will be and how we prepare Nandi to meet to meet up with this the cyclone Pem that's coming in, and we were just looking at how the prepositioning of people and resources to other areas if the town areas will be cut off. That is what initially we were just looking at. Now the preparation of how to be prepared for this event.
And I'm sure the minister will see and you briefed him on the measures that have been put in place.
Yes, I just briefed him how we are going to do a preparation plan. That is at 1400 hours today. A police team will be going out of about 30 people, going out to low-lying areas, just to tell the public there the incident, this incident, what will happen, what will be bring, and for them to slowly digest and to be ready. If worse comes to us, the scenario comes to us, which place, because they've understood where to move to, and it's just to prepare them. That is the first phase of we're in our first phase of planning for disaster management, is the preparedness part, to prepare the community. That's all.